Hello, it's Sophia. This week we have to answer a question regarding our three professional goals. So my first professional goal would be achieving a degree in liberal studies from Bypass University. Second achievable goal, I think, and very achievable and realistic and would be launching the idea of promoting Polish traditions, culture, and kitchen. As I have mentioned in the past, this is one of my ideas that I would like to do someday. Third realistic goal would be if, just in case, if the promoting idea is not bringing enough income, definitely I would like to make use of my liberal studies degree and start looking for adequate position, adequate job in teaching or whatever liberal studies degree will allow me to do. So answering to the first question, describe how you intend to keep yourself motivated to achieve these goals, what resources you'll need to achieve them, and what challenges you need to plan ahead to keep yourself on track. I want my degree in liberal studies very, very much, and I'm doing everything that I can to be a good student and to achieve my degree. So next thing would be if launching my promoting idea, I have made connections already with ladies who are law-oriented and who have degree in marketing. So I am very, very excited that maybe we can, those ladies can help me launch my idea. Of course, it's gonna be a lot of planning, business plan, and everything. Second question: are your career and professional goals changing because of what you have learned and well through 30? I have to say that wellness class is real good eye opener to all the women issues, issues that we are aware of, but we just go by every day, not doing really much about those issues women have. Yes, wellness study made me realize that there is some inequalities. There are some issues that women are facing, and those issues need to be addressed. We need to start focusing on them. Well, answering to the third question, how will what you've learned this week about self-advocacy help you to successfully achieve those goals? Yes, those readings were very, very good, and the presentation by Mr. Galinsky was really the one that got me thinking. Yes, we have to speak up for ourselves. We have to advocate for ourselves, and sometimes we may be successful, we may be not, and we have to like very when we when we can speak up and that too, that what needs to be under consideration. And the other reading also helped me understand that like self advocate women are maybe very wrong understood. Instead of being taken as the one that is stronger and can advocate for themselves, they can be taken for the ones that are not very nice. And so we have to, yes, vary our thoughts sometimes and be aware when we can speak up. But see, as self-advocacy, this is what I need to work at and be more extroverted than introverted in life. Thank you.